Look at them, just moving through the world. No need for validation, no forced smiles. Dogs. They don't obsess over Wi-Fi or life goals. Meanwhile, the humans, holding plastic bags like it's a sacred duty, picking up warm poop like it's some noble cause. Ha! Seriously, dogs evolved past ego. Humans evolved just enough to create poop bags and call it responsibility. Can't even handle their own waste without ceremony. Superior species? Obviously. Ha! Whatever.